You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
Alright guys, it's Monday. We're going to be doing the fit test. Followed up by the 7-minute interval. Please give me a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm keep us up high in the ratings so everybody can find us. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell. I upload every day, so there's a workout for you all the time. If you did not warm up, please hit the pause button, warm up, and come on back. Let's find the fit test. I'm looking, there's the fit test. It should ask me for my weight. And I've been weighing myself every morning. I am 193, if you can believe that, unless my scale's wrong. But we're working on a new program here. Okay, hit the enter on that. And what's my age? I would do this ahead of time, but okay. Now we're going to hit the enter on that. And there's the start. Make sure you keep your hands on the post so it gets a proper reading. It's looking for your heart rate. You got to get your heart rate to a certain rate before your 3 minutes will start. You'll know when it's there because the timer will start. There we go. Yours might be different. So if I finish before you, just wait on me with the 7 minutes. If I finish before me, I guess you still have to wait for me to get done. Keep telling you to stay within the target range. Just keep spinning. It's a good warm up too. I know it feels a little weird, just use your legs. Fit test is good. Measure where you are. So every Monday when we do it, you should be getting better readings. You're burning calories too. It's a good thing. Going. I'll let you know when I'm at my 1 minute mark. It's going to vary for each of us. I got 1 minute to go. No music today, guys. These workouts are too short. "30 seconds. Keep doing your fit test. Try to stay steady. Don't forget to breathe. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I'm going to save that workout. And later, I'll go on my phone and see how I did. Let me pause my watch. Okay. I'll give you guys a couple seconds in case some of your machines started after mine. Or maybe you guys are sitting around waiting for me. So, next one we're going to do, if you're new to this channel, Mondays I started this thing where I like to do the fit test, and it's too short just for a workout. It's only 3 minutes. So immediately afterwards we go to the 7-minute interval. Then if you feel like doing something after that, you can do it on your own, or maybe I'll incorporate something to make up for the time. That way we have an even 14 minutes. We'll decide after we're done. You guys should all be done by now. Let's set yourself a goal too. On the 7 minute, there's only 4 intervals on there. I want to try for 200. I don't know if I can hit it, but that's my target. I want to try. So let's look for that program. 21, 14. Steady pace, calorie burn, fat burn, stairs, manual, fit test, 7 minute. Okay. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, start. Mine's already on the resistance of 10. First one down. Good way to start a Monday off, or finish it up, depending on what time you're working out. Now, it's only 4 intervals, so by the time I'm done pacing on stage 2, I gotta have 100 calories, or I'm not gonna meet my target. We'll see. Whew. 15 seconds, we go again. There's 50 calories. It's a good sign. Here we go again. All right. Woo! Even a 7-minute interval can get you. All right. On stage 2 of 4. It's 90 calories for me. 30 seconds, we go again. Ten seconds. There's my 100 calories. Now I have a good chance of making it. Okay, here we go. It's 150 by the end of the stage 3, or I'm not making 200. Just keep pumping it out. Seven minutes sounds easy until you actually do it. Your workout all depends on how hard you want to push it. There's my 150. Five seconds. Last stage. Here we go. Come on. Gotta get every second of it. Finish the pace. My target is 200. Now's the time. If you're behind a little, pick it up on the pace. Try to get your target. Hard coming back after a day off. Come on, 30 seconds. Finish it out. All right, here's my target. 200 calories. We still got to finish. That's it. All right. Let me catch my breath. Then I'll be right back with you guys for the after talk. All right, guys, welcome back for the after talk. Today we did the fit test because it's Monday. Guys, take the fit test serious. It really is a good measurement to see how far you have come on this machine. When you first get the machine and you start it, you're not going to see much of a difference. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, especially if you're following my program and working out with me, your fit test, the results on it is just going to skyrocket. All right. Also, the 7-minute interval. A lot of you guys know I love doing the 14-minute, and then on special occasions we pick the 21-minute, which is really a challenge. It goes from doing a sprint to doing a marathon, basically. So, different strategies. Take the 7-minute serious and use that as a training tool for the 14-minute. Really lay into it from start to finish. Even if you fail, remember before I said failure is the best tool you can ever have. It teaches you a lot. So, don't ever get distracted from it. Don't get discouraged. Stick with it and you will improve on the machine. All right. So, and remember too, it's not just the Max Trainer. I don't sell these. I'm not part of their company. I can care less if you buy one. I bought one because I took a gamble at first, like everybody else, because their commercials trying to sell stuff. I took a gamble and I said, you know what, I'm going to go for it. Best decision I ever made. That's why I stopped going to the gym. So, all right, I will see you tomorrow.